Good afternoon, and welcome to my legal podcast review. My name is Asia Cobbs, and this is for my advanced entertainment law class. I had the opportunity to review a podcast related to my future field in the entertainment industry, which is photography and videography. I thought this would pretty much help me with my success, and here's why. The name of the podcast that I chose to review is called Is Copywriting Getting Tougher? And this is episode 78. The legal experts were Gordon Firemark and Tamera Bennett. Now, I chose this one because I felt it had great topics that were relevant to the success of my field, of what I should do and what I should avoid. There were three key concepts that I took away from the podcast. One being to carefully reference endorsements, like on blogs or even social media. For instance, if my business is getting paid to endorse a product or service, for a video that I'm making, I would need to disclose by saying, this is a paid endorsement or sponsored by Tasty Cakes, for example. Also, I want to always make sure to get permission to use someone else's work for my business, whether it's for profit or not. There's just way too many lawsuits arising for situations that could be avoided. And lastly, I didn't realize how strict it could be for your copyrights. There's in the podcast there was a topic about Mesa Water District, about how it invested thousands of dollars for revamping a logo and name. And the logo was actually rejected by the U.S. Copyright Office. According to Reicher, their rejection letter stated it stated that a design must have at least a minimum degree of creativity and cannot be familiar symbols and designs to be granted copyright. And again, this was by Reicher in 2013. That was kind of surprising for me. I mean, now typically companies, they trademark their logos instead of copywriting, but there's some restrictions towards public agencies by the United States Patent and Trademark Office. How this can help my future business? Well, it can help with my success by me being more cautious about referencing paid endorsements properly. Also to avoid lawsuits by just simply getting permission, and for me to protect my photos and videos securely so I can avoid filing for lawsuits. And then lastly, just being more original and creative and more authentic, coming up with great ideas. With those few things, I can earn more credibility, respect, and financial gains. Who wouldn't want that? Alrighty, and that's the end of my review for the legal podcast. I hope you learned something and you have a great day.